Broccoli. I'm Tara Charette, and I am thrilled to be your host today. Josh and his wife recently had their second child, Olivia, so he's spending time with them. Congratulations, Brochu family. Today, I'm very excited. We have a very special guest with us. Please welcome from Shea High School, Principal Dr. Ash.
Hey, Tara!
Hi, Dr. Ash. I'm so glad you're here.
Me too, and I'm just so happy.
Thanks for joining us. You have always been such a great partner and advocate for the food service program, and we are happy and just thrilled that you're here today.
Well, you guys do a great job.
Oh, thank you so much. So today, everyone, we will be teaching you how to cook today's meal right in the comfort of your own home. As well.
What's it going to be?
Oh, it's really good. As always, please make sure you have an adult present when cooking any of our meals.
Very important.
Yes, very important at home. With that being said, today's distance learning meal is build your own chicken broccoli Alfredo. All right, so let's open up the meals. All right, here we go. So we open up our meal, and this is the ticket that we've seen. This is the third time we've gotten this in our box. This is the QR code. Just scan your phone, brings you right to YouTube. Very, very fancy.
That's excellent.
I know. Put that in there.
21st century cooking.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to start off with your pasta. The pasta is cooked. It's already prepared, so it's already done. We're just going to really just heat it up today. Fresh broccoli.
Very good for you, a green vegetable.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
We have an orange.
Ooh, love oranges.
We have breaded popcorn chicken bites for our chicken, which is a fully cooked product as well.
Oh, excellent.
And then our very important cheese sauce.
You can't have this without the Alfredo.
That's right. Of cooking with our community without one of Josh's witty jokes. So I'm gonna have to do it.
All right, lay one on me. Let's see if I
right.
get it, okay?
Do you know the Ghostbusters catchphrase in Italian?
Let me think. Ha ha! I ain't afraid of no ghosts!
All right, let's take a minute to share our distant learning sites and times that started last week.
All right, take it away.
All right, let's get to work.
I'm ready.
All right, so let's turn our ovens on. I'm going to spray my pan. I'll give you that.
Thank you.
You'll spray your pan. We'll go ahead and put it on some medium-high heat.
How's that, Tara?
I think that looks perfect, Dr. Ash.
Excellent.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is put some pasta in.
Ooh, and that's penne pasta.
It's penne pasta and it's whole wheat pasta.
Ooh, very good for you.
Yes, and it's already cooked, like I said. So we're just really heating it up, making it nice and warm and toasty for us. And then we're also going to put in, I say let's put the broccoli in and let's just put it all in the pan.
All right.
I'm going for broccoli next.
All right, I will follow your lead. I do like broccoli.
I like broccoli too.
Yeah.
And our little chicken bites.
You gotta
And this
have
is all
chicken.
stuff that we usually serve, in the schools, and now we're just sending it home to the kids, and now they can cook it.
It already smells so good.
All right, so now here we go. We got everything in but the cheese sauce. 4 cheese Italian blends.
4 cheese.
4.
Must be delicious.
Yeah, yes, very good.
Let me smell it.
Mmm.
So good. I can't wait.
All right, let's dump it in there.
Just dump.
Yeah, it's thick. There we go.
Make sure you get every single bit of this. This is what brings the meal together.
Perfect. I can hear it sizzling.
Oh, I know.
And then we're just going to mix it all together really good. Popcorn chicken is a bites. Oh, this looks good.
Mmm. I can't wait.
All right.
Hey, you know, I was thinking.
Yeah?
You want to hear another joke?
I absolutely do.
Since it's wintertime,
Yeah.
what do you call pasta with a cold?
I don't know. What?
Macaroni and cheese!
so we're gonna go ahead and take it off and give it a try.
All right, let's do it.
In the bowl.
Ooh, it smells delicious.
I lost the chicken.
I lost the noodle.
All right, I'm excited. Here.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Just that board up.
Let's see. Mmm, that is delicious.
That is a good one.
Oh my goodness. Wait, I have to have a piece of broccoli. Mmm. You're going to love this. Oh, and how easy it is. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Oh, awesome. Well, Pawtucket, we have reached the end of our time together. We really hope that you enjoyed the episode, the third episode of Cooking with Our Community. Dr. Ash, did you have fun being here today?
I can't tell you. I had a blast, and I can't wait to go home and make this for Mama Ash.
Oh, nice. Please remember to like us on Facebook and to subscribe to our YouTube by searching for Pawtucket's Food Service Program. Join our next episode on February 24th. Thank you. Have a great week, Pawtucket. But before we go,
Yes?
I think we should do one more joke.
I think that's a great idea.
All right.
What do you got?
How do you say goodbye to an Italian chef?
Ah, pasta la vista, baby!